Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, Powerhouse in the making. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an attractive $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite Stellar. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of SHX at the time of recording, what it has been up to lately, guys. So SHX is up 4.79% for the day. Finally, some green in the market. So I hope that it goes way higher as well in the early, as it has dipped a bit. Even though it has dipped, it is still 810.39% up, guys. So what? Let's see what is happening in the market at the moment, guys, with SHX. So this is from Chart Nerd. VELO currently has a market cap nearly 10x the size of SHX. What an opportunity! SHX is going to be huge. Both are XLM powerhouses across different continents. Do not sleep on Stronghold Pay. This is from Angelica Saldana. I meant SHX is transitioning trade finance into decentralized finance, hence Web3. SHX is taking companies to DeFi in their daily operations. I agree with you about SHX regulations. By the way, I invested in XDC at 0.000558, and XDC is now really in a great position at the moment, guys. So cool. Look at this. A Stronghold was born out of Web3. Our co founders established the company to help normal companies use decentralized finance in their daily operations. Decentralized payments are faster and more inclusive, helping to reach some of those underdeserved communities mentioned earlier. So look at this. Here's an example of what bridging Web3 and legacy banking looks like at Stronghold. A brand new small business may reach out to us to help streamline its retail e-commerce payments. We connect them with ACH payments, guys. Now this is cool, guys. Why do they do that? To pull money from customer accounts directly into business accounts after a purchase. Cool. What else do we have? I bought some more SHX yesterday before. Okay, is it due to be a green week or of refill or of relief for the alts? Okay, so look at VELO, guys. It is also up 9.7%. Cool. Send SHX to 0.025, 2.5 cents basically. Both VELO and SHX, what is the difference? VELO is strategically positioning itself to dominate the Southeast Asian market through innovative Web3 technologies such as DeFi, gold, EV, bank, battery assets, stablecoins, ushering in the Thai people, staking, etc. SHX is pioneering a transformation in trade finance in regard to the automated clearinghouse that empowers the small merchants by paying less fees in customer transactions. Regardless, guys, I think both of them have the potential to do really well in terms of price, in terms of adoption, and then as in terms of legitimizing this industry, and basically diverting the attention from the memes to some good projects. Look at this. SHX is loading major moves. Guys, I saw this videos as well from Maximus Crypto. It is a bit long, 55 minutes, so you have to check this out. It is on X. ISO 20022 mandate, why preparation matters. Let's see what he has to say a bit.
Hello everyone, there's been some. It's, the executive branch, and then also the legislative branch, where it's just, one party dominance. All right. So we do need, right, before they get all gung ho into the whole thing. But remittance is because the super PAC, as in Fair Shake, focuses on electing pro-crypto candidates. I mean, my God, we need somebody to represent us, whether you are a Democrat, whether you are a Republican, or whether you are a registered independent like myself, okay? So I want to get more into this, and I want to take you over to this, and this doesn't have wording on it in regards to the video, so I'm not going to really play the video. But I do agree with crypto banker SHX. Shout out to him. He says he's always said it. Stronghold is a new type of super bank. Now, I cover other projects like LCX and so on, and I feel as though that LCX is on their way to becoming a blockchain bank. But what about SHX? And especially when it comes to ISO 222. So on August 28th, 222 labs had an update in regards to a prep guide. And when we get more into the outline, you're going to hear specifically from me about why I still feel so incredibly bullish about Stronghold moving forward, because, again, that alignment for that preparation of that mandate. That is not me stating that I'm only bullish on Stronghold and not Ripple and, Stellar and some of the other ones. Not true at all. But remittances definitely stand out when it comes to Stronghold, and of course automated clearinghouse connections and so on. We talked about Nacha, 3-4 times in the past. Again, it's the ones that are leading the charge, or the ones that don't get mentioned enough, but when you look into the underlying tech or the underlying connections that they have, it's like, wow, maybe they are really leading the charge. And again, look at the market cap a Stronghold compared to some of the other bigger projects. You come to the conclusion that this is a sleeping giant in itself. You guys call it gems, call it whatever you want. But again, the statements, and it's not just the statements, it's what we look into, the bigger picture of things. So remittance information, intermediary institutions for end-to-end transaction flows. Again, I talk about Jasmine a lot. I talk about Japan a lot when it comes to data free flow with trust, DFFT. I like the statements of seeing end transaction flows because it tells me data free flow with trust. Is America going to be part of that solution? Now, next part I want to get into is why, again, this is all important. So, it's like that was basically like a been there, done that, all this. You got
another challenge. Most blockchain networks can only handle a limited number of transactions per second. This lack of processing power stands in the way of crypto's ability to support the high transaction volumes required for everyday use. And obviously, regulation is yet another challenge. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which, of course, creates uncertainty both for businesses and us, the consumers. Without clear regulations in place, businesses still consider it too much of a risk to accept crypto as a viable form of payment. This risk is further complicated by the fact that crypto sales are subject to the same capital gains taxes as other assets that are divested. Every sale of crypto to purchase goods or services is a taxable event and results in a reportable gain or loss at the applicable capital gains rate. So, taking these tax consequences into account can raise the overall cost of goods and services purchased. This, along with the crypto's volatility, makes the true cost when you pay with crypto potentially difficult to calculate at the time of purchase. And last of all, a key roadblock in cryptocurrency's path to mass adoption: usability. While crypto enthusiasts are already using digital wallets and managing private keys on a daily basis, the average person still does not fully understand these concepts and may find the code and process of acquiring, managing, and using cryptocurrency intimidating. When crypto becomes easier to use by a larger audience, it will add a lot of opportunities and promising alternatives to traditional payment methods. So, Why are some businesses starting to adopt crypto despite these challenges? Why should we be buying more things with crypto? Here's why. Lower transaction fees. A credit card company charges merchants a fee of 2 to 3% per transaction. Crypto transactions, on the other hand, can be much cheaper. Despite the value fluctuations, for businesses with slim margins, it makes sense to take advantage of the savings from crypto's lower transaction fees. Crypto can attract a new type of customer. Businesses that accept crypto appeal to a growing audience of tech-savvy customers. Early adopters of crypto are passionate about their technology and prefer to support businesses that accept it. Crypto has the potential to significantly improve our systems of payment, and accepting it as a form of payment definitely helps companies tap into a new and growing market segment. We also live in a global economy where international payments are the norm. Traditional cross-border transactions can take days and incur high fees. With crypto, these transactions can be completed in minutes and at a fraction of the cost, making it an attractive option for global businesses. Last of all, crypto promotes financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies offer a way for people to participate in the global economy in parts of the world that lack a stable banking infrastructure. By accepting crypto, businesses can reach customers who otherwise wouldn't have access to their products or services and grow more effectively and efficiently on a global scale. Now, the real question. Will crypto ever become the main currency we use to buy things? It's hard to say, but here are the reasons to say it will. Technological advancements are accelerating. Blockchain networks are already working to solve issues like scalability and transaction speed to become more established, viable, and sustainable for everyday use. Projects like Ethereum's The Merge and the Lightning Network are examples of crypto working to solve these problems. Clarity about regulations will also play a significant role. With clear and consistent regulations, businesses can more confidently put plans in place to mitigate and reduce the risk they associate with crypto and adopt it as a viable payment method. There's already efforts currently underway to regulate crypto, such as the SEC's recent regulation by enforcement strategy, but there's still a long way to go. The question of whether or not the mainstream will adopt crypto is still open. But as more businesses and consumers become aware of and get comfortable with crypto, its legitimacy as a form of payment will only increase. This awareness is now being accelerated as more notable companies like Microsoft, AT&T, and Wikipedia embrace crypto as a viable payment option, and more crypto ads are aired during high-profile sport events and award shows. But how can crypto move from mainstream awareness to mainstream adoption? Stablecoins are a less volatile form of cryptocurrency that can bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and the real-world goods and services. Because they're pegged to stable assets like the US dollar, stablecoin can make it easier for businesses and consumers to transact in crypto without worrying about price fluctuations. So, can you actually buy things with crypto? Of course you can. You just need to be aware of the challenges and limitations. Some industries are starting to adopt crypto for its benefits, and widespread use is definitely still a work in progress. However, knowing how fast the technology is advancing, understanding the current work towards clear and consistent regulations, and a growing mainstream awareness of the benefits, there's plenty of reasons to conclude that crypto will someday be the dominant way we purchase goods and services. So, what are your thoughts? What do you think will take for crypto to be the main form of currency? What are some of the benefits or some of the challenges? Let's keep this conversation going in the comments below.
Awesome, guys, awesome. So, what do you guys think about Stronghold SHX, guys? Do you think that it indeed is a powerhouse in the making? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.